Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are reviewing the best Earth Balance spread, the Earth Balance Creamy Peanut and Coconut Oil Spread. If you're a fan of plant-based foods, this spread is sure to make your kitchen adventures even more exciting. With a unique combination of peanuts and organic, extra virgin coconut oil, it brings a new twist to your favorite spreads. It's perfect for anyone looking for a vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO option that doesn't compromise on flavor. Opening up the jar, you'll be greeted by a creamy, smooth texture that's ideal for spreading on toast or adding to smoothies. But this spread isn't just for breakfast. It works wonders in stir-fries, baking, or as a delicious addition to snacks like ants on a log, for a fun, nutritious treat. The blend of coconut oil and peanut butter creates a balanced flavor profile that's both rich and subtly sweet, making it a favorite for those who love plant-based options without added sugar or harsh preservatives. The Earth Balance brand has always been committed to quality, and this creamy peanut spread is no exception. Made with simple, plant-based ingredients like organic coconut oil, peanuts, and a touch of agave syrup, it's as pure and wholesome as it gets. Plus, it's free from trans fats, which makes it a healthier choice for those mindful of what goes into their food. You'll love the versatility of this spread. It's not just a replacement for peanut butter, it's an upgrade. Whether you're using it in baking or spreading it on a morning bagel, this Earth Balance product delivers that rich, nutty flavor with an added coconut twist that makes it stand out. So, whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just looking for a healthier alternative to traditional spreads, the Earth Balance Creamy Peanut and Coconut Oil Spread is definitely worth a try. It's packed with flavor, it's kind to your body, and it's great for the planet. So go ahead and give it a go, and let us know what creative ways you use this amazing spread. That's all for today's review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next product critique. See you next time.